We've seen 3 ways to enter, but an entry alone gives you nothing measurable. You need an exit for the backtest to actually produce a result. Here are MULTIJACK's standard exits: percent stop, ATR stop, take profit, trailing, break even, and how they combine, using Donchian as our example. As always, experimental software, not financial advice. Capital loss is a real risk. Backtest and live aren't the same thing. All 3 lock in at entry and don't move on their own. That's what BE and trailing are for, coming up. Percent stop, fixed distance, same for every coin. Bar stop, looks at the low/high of the last n bars, a structural level. A TR stop, adapts to that coin's volatility. If more than one's active, the most protective one wins. They're not competing. Activate more than one, and the most protective always wins. Take profit tells the bot where to settle. Closer means more small, frequent wins. Farther means fewer trades, but bigger ones. TP percent, fixed percentage target. TP-ATR, volatility-based target. If both are active, price decides which gets hit first. The report tells you which one closed the trade. Moves the stop to break even, but only after the trade hits a favorable threshold, in percent or in ATR. When it fires, the stop goes to net break even, entry price plus fees. Break even doesn't protect a gain. It stops a winning trade from turning into a loss. Unlike break-even, which fires once, trailing keeps moving in your favor for as long as the trade's open. 3 modes. Bars follows the low/high of the last n bars in position. Percent, fixed distance from the best favorable point. ATR, adapts to volatility. Two extra options. Only starts above true break-even, or locks in from the very first bar. There's also a flag here to update it only on closed bars instead of in real time. Same logic as profit lock, especially useful on short time frames. Break-even fires once and stops. Trailing never stops as long as the trade's open. The only exit that looks at time, not price. If the trade stays open too long without anything else firing, it closes anyway, at market. The other exits ask, has price done enough? Time stop just asks, has enough time gone by? You can have several active on the same trade. Whichever gets hit first wins, and the report always tells you which one. You don't need them all on. The more rules you stack, the harder it gets to see why a trade closed where it did. Start with a few, understand the effect, then add more. Every extra exit adds a rule. Every extra rule costs you a bit of clarity. One exit still missing: profit lock, built specifically for MULTIJACK. It deserves its own video right after this one.